Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change icons color on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to do that, first we need to go to the settings, then in the settings go to personalize, and then over here we can go to colors. Then in the colors, if we scroll down, we have the option called themed icon. If we enable it, we will change the appearance of icons that will be matched with the theme that we use on our smartphone. Then we can press save in order to save it. And if we go back to the home screen, you will see that now most of the icons are now compatible with the theme. So we can change the theme. If we go back to personalized settings, then we can go to themes, and then over here on the right side we can see how the buttons would look like with this option enabled. So for instance, we can go with Motorola, and then if we close it, then as you can see we have now a different color. Of course, we can also create our own theme. So if you go to settings, then over here in the top right corner we have this plus button, and then we can start creating our own theme. Over here we can switch to colors and then set a color that we wish to have for our icons. So let's say I'm gonna choose this yellow one, as it is definitely standing out. And then of course, if you want to, you can also adjust the icon shape and the font as well. So press save, then of course you can set up the theme name and then confirm by pressing OK. Then we need to select our theme, and now if we go back, as you can see, now we have a new color of our icons. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.